Zandile respond on behalf of her sister Kelly Khumalo and also include Senzo Meyiwa saying that Senzo Meyiwa knows that Kelly Khumalo, she is innocent. So this is a message that Zandile wrote. One thing about Zandile message, it looks very suspicious. But before I get to the story of today, I just want to say somebody, please, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. So Zandile tagged Kelly Khumalo, her sister, and closed the comment section, meaning that people are not allowed to say anything. Only her message has to make sense, which does not make sense. Why? If you are brave enough, you're not going to close the comment section. If you are innocent, if you don't know anything, why do you even have to say something? Why are you closing the comment section? Allow people to say their opinion. Since when you are brave, you know how to be a monster. And he also mentioned that Bona Abama Bubes mean they are lions. If you are brave enough and you are a lion, why are you closing the comment section? So let's get to this message of Zandile that she wrote to her sister, also including Senzo. So this is what Zandile wrote on her Instagram account and also post a picture of Kelly Khumalo. This is what she has to say. Mina ngiyoyima nawe, meaning that I'm gonna stand with you. Inguna phakathi ngoba ngiyayazi inhliziyo yakho futhi ngiyayazi nosenzo ume nawe lapho ekhona, meaning that I know your heart. I will also stand by you, and I know that even Senzo, he's supporting you wherever he is. May his soul rest in peace. 10 years, no justice. But anyway, let's continue with Zandile's message. She continued by saying that uyazi thina singamabhubezi asikhathazi ngemibono yezimvu. We are the lions, meaning that we don't I don't know, as Kataz, meaning that we don't have a problem with Imvo. I think it's a sheep's opinion, something like that. She continued with her message saying that to those that have been DMing and texting, asking me if she's okay, Ninga Katazig upilile njengeshele, meaning that she's strong, she's fine, there's nothing wrong with Kelly Khumalo. And just like all of us, she wants the perpetrator to be brought to the book, and there will be. Sekuze, meaning that now we have reached to the final destination, meaning whoever's responsible for Senzo Meyiwa, he's gonna be arrested according to Zandile. And then he also mentioned that Kelly Khumalo also wants that perpetrator to be arrested, the one that is responsible for Senzo Meyiwa to be arrested. So she continued by saying that I'm telling you this because I know how much you love and you care for her, so I don't want you guys to worry. Khululekani nje isazokhala ingoma kaKelly Khumalo. So that's the message that Zandile wrote to the people, and saying that don't worry guys, Kelly Khumalo, she's fine, she's okay. She's also want the person that is behind Senzo Meyiwa's death to be arrested. But the question to me when it comes to Zandile, why are you closing the comment section? For what reason? Because this message is something, this message, you do understand, but allow people to say anything. You know what I'm saying? You cannot just read. It's like you are making a statement. Even if you are making a statement about, if you are issuing a statement, at least allow people to respond, you know. So this is a message that Zandile wrote to tag his sister, meaning that she's behind his sister. She's going to support her sister. She's going to do anything to protect her sister, Kelly Khumalo. The only thing that we need here when it comes to this case, we need the truth, guys. Just come out and tell us what happened that day in 26 October 2014, guys. It's been 10 years, guys. Need to understand, we all need is justice, you know. Justice, nothing else. The only thing that we need, if you know something, just tell us so that we can be free. Because somebody was like, you know what, they are very tired of this case. Maybe this case is time now we just